140 GSM at least minimum. We need a fine liner or black gel pen. I am going to use this fine liner from Rotring brand, and this is pen size 0.5. A compass from Maped India to draw neat circles using pen and pencil both. Any pencil will work. I will be using this to draw circles. Scale, eraser. Eraser is from Brustro brand again. And we need stamp and any HB pencil. I'm going to use this one. This is from Artline and this is 4B to add shading. So let's get started. First thing is to find out the center. So we are going to divide the sketchbook in 4 parts, horizontal and vertical, and make sure that you are picking the center of your sheet. Okay, so measure it vertically and horizontal. Now we'll start drawing circles. So I'm going to draw the outermost circle, which will be, we measure from scale. This will be 7 centimeters. So just measure from scale and draw 7 centimeter circle. Okay, this is your outermost circle. Now I'm going to reduce the radius and we'll keep it 4 centimeters. And we draw the inner circle. Now in the center, I want to write 2026, okay, but that will overlap little bit of this area between this 4 and 7 centimeter, and we'll write freehand. So you just need to follow me and write. No perfection is needed here. Just write like this, 2. I can make like a 0 here and 2. So let's do it this way. Okay, so you can write according to you anywhere. I've just written it very randomly like this. Now we need more circles. Okay, so we are going to draw some more circles here between 4 and 7. So we will draw 2 more circles. Okay, 1 centimeter apart. So you keep your scale like this. This is 0, this is 3. Just put a dot at 1 and 2. Measure it and draw the circle. Don't worry if it's just overlapping, crossing your numbers, because we have not yet used pen, so that is fine. Okay. Now I'm going to use my pen. Okay, and we are going to first sketch the numbers and then we will draw circles. So we will first sketch. And 6. Now I'm going to use my Maped compass with my pen and I'm going to draw the circles. Draw all circles. Now, because you're using pen, so make sure you don't cross the numbers. Okay. So wherever your numbers fall, just don't cross those number. Don't draw circles on top of the number. Just skip that part. It can be different from mine, so that is okay. Okay, so this is done. Now we erase all the pencil marks before we draw more. So use your eraser and gently erase all the pencil marks. Now we will first draw patterns and details inside the circles. Okay, so for the first one, I am going to draw spirals. So you can start from anywhere, just draw spirals like this and continue to draw. Now the trick will be wherever your number is falling, you don't need to draw on top of this. So you draw just whatever is visible. Okay, you have to be like smart enough to understand this. I will stop here and move to the next pattern. Now in the next pattern, we are going to draw the motif with tail. So you start from one point, go to the next like diagonally, draw a nice big spiral again. Okay. And join here with a line. Add a line and dot. Nice and neat, simple, and continue. Fill this small negative space here. Okay. Now we move to the last one. And for this also, when you come here somewhere where your numbers are falling, make sure you don't draw on top of this. Now in the last, we draw scallop shapes. So again, start from wherever you want. Okay. And draw big scallop shape like this. Now inside the scallop shapes, we repeat the shape. Repeat one more time and fill with the color. Okay, so once you complete this, then the next step is coloring the numbers. So numbers We are just going to fill the colors inside numbers because we'll already do a lot of patterns outside. You can use any sketch pen, any marker. I'm using this one. This is from Stabilo brand. This is pen 68. This is like a sketch pen with a little bold nib. So I'm going to use this and we are going to fill the color inside the numbers. Do it nicely, neatly, slowly.